Hey everyone, Xiaomi's Redmi Watch series has consistently offered affordable yet feature-packed smartwatches, and the newly introduced Redmi Watch 5 Active is no exception. Priced at just $33, this smartwatch comes with a robust set of features, making it a compelling choice for budget-conscious consumers. In this review, we'll dive into the specifications and features of the Redmi Watch 5 Active and compare it with its predecessors, the Redmi Watch 3 Active and Redmi Watch 4, to see how it stacks up. The Redmi Watch 5 Active boasts a modern rectangular design with IPX8 water resistance, providing protection against water exposure. The watch is equipped with a 2-inch display that offers a brightness of up to 500 nits, ensuring clear visibility even in bright sunlight. This is a slight upgrade from the Redmi Watch 3 Active's 1.83-inch display, which also featured good brightness and clarity, but falls short of the size and overall screen real estate provided by the Redmi Watch 5 Active. When compared to the Redmi Watch 4, the display on the Redmi Watch 5 Active is slightly larger, with the Redmi Watch 4 featuring a 1.97-inch AMOLED LTPS display, with a higher brightness of 600 nits. The Redmi Watch 4's display also includes a 60Hz refresh rate, making it smoother in operation. However, the Redmi Watch 5 Active compensates with a new display technology and software optimization that enhances visual performance despite the slightly lower brightness. The Redmi Watch 5 Active is packed with advanced features, making it a solid contender in the smartwatch market. Notably, it includes Bluetooth call support. This feature allows users to take calls directly from the watch, a feature also found in the Redmi Watch 3 Active. Health monitoring sensors. The watch is equipped with sensors to monitor blood oxygen levels, SpO2, heart rate, and sleep quality. It supports tracking for over 140 types of exercises, which is an improvement from the 100+ sports modes on the Redmi Watch 3 Active and the 150 modes on the Redmi Watch 4. Battery life. The 470 mAh battery in the Redmi Watch 5 Active provides up to 18 days of battery life, which is a significant improvement over the 12 days offered by the Redmi Watch 3 Active. The Redmi Watch 4, however, still holds a slight edge with its 20-day battery life, though the difference may not be noticeable in everyday use. The Redmi Watch 4 also has GPS and NFC capabilities, which are absent in the Redmi Watch 5 Active. The lack of GPS might be a drawback for users who rely on the watch for outdoor activities without carrying their smartphone. The Redmi Watch 5 Active runs on Xiaomi's new HyperOS, which promises smoother operation and better app integration. It also supports the Alexa voice assistant, offering hands-free control of various functions, which adds a layer of convenience for smart home enthusiasts. This feature is not available in the Redmi Watch 3 Active, making the Watch 5 Active a more modern and connected device. Additional smart features in the Redmi Watch 5 Active include SOS, phone finder, theater mode, and a flashlight. These features are designed to enhance user safety and convenience, setting the Redmi Watch 5 Active apart from its predecessors. One of the most striking aspects of the Redmi Watch 5 Active is its price. At $33, it is significantly more affordable than the Redmi Watch 4, which is currently priced at $70 in China. Despite the lower price, the Redmi Watch 5 Active offers competitive features, making it an excellent value for budget-conscious consumers. The Redmi Watch 5 Active represents a meaningful upgrade over the Redmi Watch 3 Active with enhancements in display size, battery life, and operating system features. While it may not surpass the Redmi Watch 4 in every aspect, particularly in display quality and additional features like GPS and NFC, it holds its own with a robust feature set and an unbeatable price point. For those looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch with modern features and solid performance, the Redmi Watch 5 Active is a highly recommended option. If you prioritize advanced display technology, GPS, and NFC, the Redmi Watch 4 might still be worth considering, albeit at a higher price. In conclusion, the Redmi Watch 5 Active is a versatile and capable smartwatch that offers excellent value, making it a standout in Xiaomi's smartwatch lineup. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and see you soon.